Hello everyone. My name is Abhijit Joshi. So you can see, we enrolled ourselves to some art classes. So to give you a little background, my wife Neha Joshi, she had already been working with Penkraft, and she had done multiple workshops with them. So I used to watch her do all those workshops, and I found those very interesting. So we were talking one day, and she suggested, this thing could be some fun activity to do on a weekend, or just have some we have some time around. This could be a beginning of something new activity we normally do together. So she suggested, let's explore something, and she gave me some options regarding. So this is my Mandala art which I tried, and this is the first attempt which I did. I was very excited to be a part of it and to explore some quality time to spend with my wife. So this could be a good activity is what I thought. I would encourage other people also to be a part of this association called Penkraft. They have very good teachers, they have very friendly staff, they help you around very nicely. I actually did this for the very first time, and I am myself amazed to what I have created out of this. So I would encourage you guys, it is a good learning phase, it's a good start, to develop something in your free time, or to make yourself better. So thank you.